Introducing the stunning 2018 Audi A4 Limousine 2.0tdi 122 SE4 door in blue. Packed with luxurious features such as air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, this vehicle ensures a comfortable and safe drive every time. With security features like anti-collision system, LED lights, and traction control, your safety is our top priority. Not only does this Audi come with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, but it also boasts a stylish chrome package and tinted windows. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us now or visit audikerry.ie for